Hare Krishna. One of the most fascinating aspects about experiencing truth is that it dispels illusion. Experiencing light in the middle of a dark night would dispel darkness. Similarly, our old thoughts fade every time we experience truth. The more you start speaking the truth, the more people would distance from you. People, in general, are living very comfortably in illusion, and they don't want to come out of it. If you push them, it is natural for them to distance from you and still stay in illusion. Hare Krishna.